Hello everybody, hope you're doing well today. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my tofu crumbles. We need a 14 or 16 ounce firm or extra firm tofu. The first thing to do is to press the tofu for at least 30 minutes. When the tofu is pressed, we will crumble the tofu by using a fork or simply using your hand. And if you like to flavor the tofu crumbles, you can season the tofu with spices like tamari, garlic powder, paprika, turmeric, or any other preferred spice. To cook the tofu, we first need to heat 1.5 tablespoon oil over medium high. We then add the crumbled tofu. We fry the crumbled tofu for about 8 to 10 minutes till it turns slightly brown, and if you like it super brown and crispy, you can cook it longer. And when the crumbled tofu is done, just plate it, or you can store it in the fridge. It can last in the fridge for about 5 days. Thank you so much for watching.